I've always had a love for automotive. I went to school to an auto class and was able to work and go to school at the same time, so that drew me to the business about 27 years ago. Early years at Levin Tire taught me that you have to start from the bottom and anything could work. You could work your way up to the top. Hard work pays off. You got to start somewhere. We're able to do same-day service. We do take appointments, do a lot of walk-in business, and we can get you done majority of the time same-day service. My favorite part of the job is that customers leave here happy. We do a service on their car, they pay good money for their car, and they leave here satisfied with what we've done to their car.
How do you keep your team motivated?
I've learned over the years, never ask somebody to do something that you're not willing to do yourself. Lead by example.